May the sword of justice be swift upon you, brother.
Ben,
What?
what the hell are you doing?
Nothing. Just hanging out.
Are you fighting our dining room set?
Funnily enough, I'm actually just shooting a short film for Open Screen Night. It's kind of just a sequence in a short film we're doing.
Open screen night, huh?
Yeah, actually at the Oriental Theater. This is my chance to see myself up on the big screen in front of a live audience.
And you think people are really gonna put up with this?
Well, this is just a scene. We got a beginning and an end. We got a whole story going on. So, speaking of which, if you're interested, I've got an empty role of a black wizard. I got the robe and the staff and everything. You just say the word and I'll make you famous.
When is this open screen night?
It's the last Tuesday of every month, starting in July.
I'd love to help you with your project, but I think I better start working on my own, actually.
That's cold. Dude, is that my camera?